Hi, and welcome to my YouTube tutorial on how to make a daisy pearl necklace. Today I'll show you how to create a delicate and elegant accessory. Before we get started, I'd like to say if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Begin by making the daisy pendant. Cut some length of 0.50 fishing line. Remember to leave extra like 1 or 2 inches so you can tie it off with ease. String 6.12 pearl beads. With the right end of the fishing line, go through all the beads from the opposite side. Now bring the ends of the wires together and tie a knot. Tie twice. Ensure you tie tight so it doesn't loosen. String a 0.12 white bead. Take the wires to the opposite side of the knot. Separate the wires. Take one of the wires under the pendant and tie a knot. Tie twice so it doesn't loosen. Pass the fishing line into one bead and then cut off the excess thread. Next, measure some length of fishing line, and string the daisy pendant. This daisy pendant can be used on other projects. It can be worn alone as a pendant with earrings. Now string the daisy pendant and slide in a 0.6 pearl bead and continue to string the beads, stringing 1.12 bead and then 1.6 bead. After the required length is achieved, I wanted mine to be 16.5 inches. You take your measuring tape and measure. Next, you want to attach your single strand clasp. So you string this clasp and take the fishing line back into the last strong bead and tie a knot. Take the fishing line into the next bead, tie another knot to secure the necklace. After you have tied up at either 2 or 3 beads, take the fishing line through 2 more beads without knotting, then cut the remaining fishing line. Repeat the same for the other side. Now cut off the excess fishing line and voila, you've created a beautiful daisy pendant pearl necklace that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to make your own daisy pendant pearl necklace. It's a lovely piece of jewelry that adds a touch of elegance and nature-inspired beauty to your outfit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative crafts. See you in my next video.